Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Dota 2. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can sign up for Dota 2 on the Dota 2 website. Open up a web browser of your choice and into the URL box, type in www.dota2.com and press enter. If you want to sign up for Dota 2, you can easily do it by logging to your Steam account. Simply go ahead and click on the login button at the top right. Now sign into your Steam account by typing in your credentials. If you don't have a Steam account yet, make sure to create one. Type in your account name in the first text box and then a correct password on the next field. Click on the sign in button after you are done. Allow necessary access for the following by clicking allow. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Dota 2. All you need is a Steam account and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily sign up for Dota 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.